Join me every week as I turn this 2016 Ford Transit into the ultimate mobile command center.
So building a cutting template with foam board is a great way to easily craft out the design of your interior before you actually start cutting the real stuff. And I did this for all the equipment levels. So now it was time to start chopping up the actual wood.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fighting.
Each level would hold different grip supplies, from pelican cases to combo light stands to lights themselves, and would eventually be hidden underneath a transformable work desk.
Sandbag, do your job. I'm working on the desk riser.
The mechanics on the monitor riser was a bit challenging.
Just got to get a actuator and put in there to do the pushing, the heavy lifting, and push that on up.
The remote actuator I got off of eBay worked great
So that'll be a monitor up in there with 3 motors.
until that happened.
Okay.